birthday, Tito John. More birthdays to come.
Birthday po, Tito Jun. We love you po. Ingat po kayo dyan at happy birthday po. Enjoy po kayo sa birthday nyo. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jun. More birthdays to come. And wish you good health as always. And we can't wait to na makasama muli kayo. Enjoy!
Hi Jun, Unyot, Siki, Nakamura, Dieter, Daming Su, happy birthday! Enjoy Switzerland. You deserve everything wonderful today and always. And Ami, belated happy birthday and thank you for taking good care of Jun. And again, sa akong pinaka-wapo, nabunto, happy birthday! Bentong, say happy birthday, Bentong. Bentong. And Chuchay. Happy birthday from all of us.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Jun. Sana enjoy niyo po yung birthday mo ngayon. Kasi deserve niyo po yan. Thank you po sa lahat ng binibigay niyo sa amin at saka po sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo para po sa amin. Lalong-lalo na po para kay Mami. More birthdays to come po. God bless and ingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Hi Tito Jun! Happy 50th birthday po. I wish you all the best and the happiest on your special day. Ingat po lagi and God bless. Gusto ko rin po mag-thank you for being such an amazing husband to our mom, kay Mommy, and for being an amazing father kay Jetro, kay Ian, pati na rin po sa akin at kay Sean. Happy birthday po! Love you po!
Happy birthday, Tito Junjun. I hope you have a wonderful day with Jetro, Ian, Kitami, and with your dog. And more happy birthdays to come. And hope you have a meaningful and nurtureful life. Yeah, happy birthday once again. And have a good day.
Happy birthday, June! Okay. Sana dumami pa ang birthday mo hanggat gusto mo.
Hi June!
Hello, Tito Junjun. Wishing you a blessed 50th birthday. Enjoy your day, Tito Junjun.
Always take care of yourself. Thank you for everything that you do for us. And enjoy your day. Bye!
Bye-bye. Take
Hello,
care,
bye.
Tito Junjun.
Take care.
Happy birthday! Nakamakasan, Siki. Salamat Jun sa mga bulig sa do. Thank you. Happy birthday. Enjoy na rayanan. Imo birthday. Bye-bye.
Enjoy your birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, June. May God gives you all the best in life. There's a saying, life begins at 40. But now, life begins at 50. Kasi malaki na ang iyong responsibilities. Kasi magdadalawa na ang college mo. Pero, kayang-kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa. Just pray to God always. I'm also praying for your family and your 2 kids. Thank you for everything, John. Good luck, and may God bless you all.